Allow your guests to choose their exact room based on their preferences and in return, generate additional revenue for your hotel. How it works? The guest books a room category through your official booking engine. On the booking confirmation page, the guest is presented with the Choose Your Room functionality. The guest explores the hotel virtually and selects their preferred room number based on personal preferences, such as view, proximity, or layout. Guest visits the booking engine from your official website and makes the reservation as usual by booking a category. Then they are instantly taken to the booking confirmation page where they see the Choose Your Room option. Here, the experience becomes immersive. The guest can explore the hotel virtually, navigating through available rooms, and request their preferred room number based on personal preferences like the view, proximity to amenities, or even the layout.